Today we are testing different brake cleaners. Brake cleaner is a metal surface cleaner based on solvent mixtures. It can be used to clean surfaces of oils, greases, soot, coolant and other mechanical dirt. I often come across the opinion that all brake cleaners are similar, and there is difference only in the price. In the first test, we compare how much brake cleaning fluid is in the different manufacturers' aerosol bottles. To measure it, we need a scale and an empty transparent bottle into which we spray the entire liquid component of the aerosol. In the test, we compare the weight and the volume of the liquid component. With the second test, we compare how well different products chemically clean brake oil. For this, we need a .4 or .5 brake oil, stainless steel plate, and of course, comparable products. We cover the center of the stainless steel plate evenly with the brake oil. We spray the products from the equal distance on the plate. With the third test, we compare the cleaning properties on wet surfaces and on coolants. In Baltics and in Scandinavia, mechanics quite often work with different mobile equipment, which can be wet due to the weather conditions. There are quite often jobs in the engine compartment where engine oil and coolants are mixed. In such cases, a brake cleaner has to be able to emulsify with the water or with the coolant to really clean the surfaces. It's really important to clean properly the surfaces before applying RTV sealants or other adhesives to prevent future leaks. To prove this, we cover the center of the stainless steel plate evenly with the coolant and spray different brake cleaners onto the plate. After the cleaner has dried up, we can really see which part of the surface is clean and which is not.